What's going on, guys? It's Cody.
Hey, Cody.
And we are back with another video for y'all. We are wrapping a charger.
Charger? We got the charger, boys.
Look at that. We squatted up today. So we got another charger in the building. This is the, what is this, 2011 to 14?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think it, don't grill us if we're wrong.
Right.
But I think it's the 2011 to 14 model. We got the 06 to 10. Oh, no. Yeah. We got the 06 to 10. 11 to 14 and 15 and up. So yeah,
All of the chargers.
we got them all.
We got them all.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a full wrap on this one. This one's getting a matte military green finish.
Ooh.
We're gonna do the wheels in a satin black. Sateen, you need a chrome delete.
Be like,
Oh yeah.
oh, my head.
So yeah, we're gonna, she's a little rough around the edges. Yeah, she's got some things going on with her. She's definitely been put to work, but we're gonna clean her up, still make her look a little bit better. We're gonna remove the emblems. We're gonna keep the RT. Obviously, she got a spoiler. That's gonna be a fun one. So yeah, satin black wheels, matte military green. That's the move, y'all. That's what we're doing. Is it raining?
A little bit.
Or was that a reflection? No, it is. It's sprinkling.
Where is my
We should probably pull this in before it gets wet.
Hey, can you see my other string? Where's my other string?
It's gone.
It's gone forever?
Yeah, you messed it up. Hey, man, this man don't be taking care of stuff. Oh, man. Well, guess cue the intro.
Cue it. Cue it. Cue it.
Jeez.
This is the intro.
And just like that, within 30 seconds, welcome to C3
Chop shop.
Cody and Cody's Chop Shop. Yeah, got this thing looking like a hovercraft.
Hold on.
Come on.
Do it. I was smiling.
Just do it.
Forget about it.
Okay. Well, yeah, just like that, we got this thing stripped like a chop shop would. We got the wheels off. We got the handles off, emblems, all the little squirts from the
Squirt.
yeah, from the hood. Got the front bumper off. Left the headlights because we don't need to actually take those off. But yeah,
Look at all this as it come off the front bumper. Look at all that. Just for a wrap.
all that just for a wrap. Why is it so expensive? Well, let me tell you guys what. Yeah. So yeah, we take pretty much everything we need to take off. Take off the rear section, the emblems, plate, took the spoiler off. It is filthy. Yeah, so we also have to clean all this.
That's the next step. Prep step.
Prep step.
Step coming to you live.
Yeah. So that's the move. But yeah, after that, basically after we take everything apart, all the cars that we need to take apart, then we go through and we clean it off, we clay bar it, we spray it with alcohol, and that ensures that our wrap actually looks good. Because this is the most time consuming part. Actually wrapping it really doesn't take all that long unless you're doing like a super hard or intricate bumper or a bunch of other pieces.
Or chrome.
Yeah, or chrome, like working with like a difficult material. But yeah, the prep is definitely the longest part, and it's also the part that matters the most when it comes to how good your wrap looks when it's done. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing knocked out, and yeah, I guess we'll show you guys some wrap.
That prep step going. Boy, with the prep step.
This is so filthy.
Trying to make this dirty charger a clean one.
Look
at all this.
Filthy, man.
Look at all. Oh, but just threw some juices on the camera.
It's a
3D effect.
3D, yeah, or 4D. Because
4D.
3D you only see it.
Yeah, but
4D
they didn't
you
feel it.
No, they have theaters that you can like.
Yeah, but they didn't feel it.
You don't know that.
So maybe their
We
wife.
reach our
Maybe their
viewers.
wife spit on them real quick.
Yeah, you never know, man. All the people in this world, you think?
It'd be like one of them
that's so
coinkadink
rough.
reactions. Like, oh, juice.
So
Oh,
rough.
you spit on me. No, yeah, it's really rough, man. Parking into holes and stuff. You're supposed to park next to it, not on it.
Oh, rough.
I hear it.
Hear it?
Yeah, I can hear it.
And feel it.
Look at all that.
We need one of the things we saw like on the video.
Yeah, that freaking steam.
Yeah.
Steam is the dream team.
Keep in mind, every time we like turn the camera off and back on, unplug that mic and plug it back in.
Oh, really?
Remember old boy was talking about it? Kind of helps him.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you mean? Because he said it comes loose, and we clearly have issues with the audio coming through, so it's worth a shot.
I don't know.
You don't know? You'd rather just keep losing footage instead of trying it?
Yeah.
Wow. You don't want to be a YouTuber.
Anywho, this guy's prep stepping it. Getting all this filth out of here. What you gonna wrap first?
The car.
What part on the car?
That's disgusting. That's nasty.
What part of the car?
One of them. I don't know, honestly. Usually just start with like maybe the quarter. I don't know. I might do the bumpers first. Might do the mirrors, the handles.
Check this out. I just had to just come out here and wash it because it was filthy. But there's a lot of stuff. Like, I know you'll never see that underneath, but man, like, this is pretty rough. So with this matte wrap, you're probably gonna see all that. Client says it's okay. Go ahead and wrap over it, but would have been pretty cool to get like a new bumper cover or something so it can look really, really fresh. 'Cause I don't know if y'all can hear that, but there's just all kinds of rock chips in it. Probably not going to be the cleanest front bumper install, but you know, we'll do our best. Charger boys, Charger boys. Still working on the nasties.
Just the way it sounds, it's so bad.
There's
Sounds
so
like
many,
I'm putting sandpaper on it.
yeah, there's so many rock chips in the front bumper. I don't know. I was just telling these fellas and bellas that it might not be the, you know, cleanest install, but we'll do our best. Because you're going to see all the imperfections.
Yeah.
Did you show them the color yet?
Nope, I sure haven't.
You want to show them?
Yeah, it's right there.
Where's
Looking
you
like
at?
it's looking. You gotta press the screen, man.
There's that color. Fancy. Yeah, that's going to look good. Better than that dull silver. Cool.
Cool.
Next step.
Prep step.
Prep step. Continue prep. We're going to prep this whole car.
Make it look clean.
All this filth. Clean and awesome, he says. Clean and awesome. So, see y'all on the clean side.
What you think?
Man, oh man. This is going to be like a brand new car.
Facts. Yeah, it looks good. This
Yeah,
color.
Bumps and bruises, but
Yeah.
this wrap's doing a good job of hiding it.
Yeah, there was some on the door and fender, and there's a little bitty dent, but it's not as noticeable, I guess, because there's not a bunch of paint missing off of it. It does a really good job of showing them body lines off.
Heck yeah.
It's nice.
I like them colors right there.
Yeah, they're clean. They are very clean. So now that the side's done, I'm gonna go ahead and get these bumpers knocked out. I went ahead and did inlays yesterday, so put all my inlays in the sections over here, and then also did the rear trunk area. Went ahead and did inlay here, license plate area. So I already got the pieces cut out, got the time-lapse camera set up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these bumpers knocked out. And then after that, just start working on some of the other panels and keep this train moving.
Train choo-chooing.
Choo-choo
So
away.
what we gonna do?
What?
We're gonna set y'all down on the tripod.
Well, I already showed them. It's right here. They know they're going on it.
Put them down on there.
All right, here you go. You should probably let that go.
You want me to just let it go?
Like, you should probably get that off.
Yeah, I would if it would let go. The bumper grabbed it and it won't let go. Bruh.
There we go.
Jesus.
Yeah, well, she's wrapped. It only took 3 days. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. It did take longer than expected, though, because this wrap is something else. It's super low tack, and, yeah, because of that, she don't like to stick. So, it's very challenging to wrap a bumper that requires tack and stickiness with a no-tack film.
With low temperatures and low tackiness.
Yeah.
So, by the way, guys, like if y'all keep seeing me in different hoodies, it's not different days. I just keep changing them.
He likes to do outfit changes in between. So yeah, bumper's knocked out.
Cause yeah, I mean, showing them what I'm working on. Ugh.
What? Oh, the van.
That's a van, guys.
It's a big one.
That's a van.
It's extended.
Yes, I don't want to wear my Cody and Cody hoodie out here because it's messy.
We got another. Look at the bikes.
Ooh, charges?
The cars.
Charges?
Got the caddy. Got the bus. We on 5%, so this gotta go quick.
It's our no tour bus.
It's a tour bus.
It's our no tour bus.
So yeah, Cody's over here dealing with this nastiness. We gotta remove this clear bra. Old clear bra.
Something else. Boy, always kicking something. It don't even matter if he's in the shop.
Don't matter. Something's always in the way.
Look at this mess.
So that section that looks clean, that's like 3 days worth of work.
Yeah.
And there's still all this other stuff to do. So looks like that's another 2 to 3 days.
Well, good news is that like this section here is already almost like off.
Yeah.
And then in here is gonna be a little easy. This is gonna be tough. The bottom, which what I'm working on now, is brutal, I tell you.
So yeah,
Because I guess it didn't see as much sun as the top.
Mm-hmm.
And then all that road grime and just like that's what I've been working on the whole time he's been wrapping this car. Careful now, careful. Ugh. That's a big step for a little man.
So yeah, got
Yeah.
the so pretty much got to do the trunk, the hood, the handles,
music.
bunch of stuff. And then this one will be wrapped out. We went ahead and got the wheels.
Coated.
Those are powder coated sateen black.
Sateen.
It matches the satin black, which will look good on the matte green.
The sateen matches the satin.
Mm-hmm.
I'm right here, guys. Don't you worry.
So yeah, I do have to do this side, but you guys have already seen the other side, so I'm not going to record this. But what I am going to do for y'all is I'm going to record wrapping the hood, the trunk, and probably not the roof because it's a weird angle. But y'all know what it's like to wrap a roof. Y'all seen it before.
What it will be.
So yeah, we'll go ahead and knock the hood out, then work on the trunk.
Don't put a dent in it, man. Don't knock it out, man. You put a big dent.
Like you did on yours.
Yeah.
Well,
Got enough.
it's got a dent right there.
Got enough. We're covering up all its bangs and bruises.
Yeah, bumples and gumps.
And dumples and dubs.
Yeah.
dips and pimples. Dimples and pimples.
Dimples and
Fellas and
pimples.
bellas.
I don't
Y'all
know
stay
if I'd
tuned.
want that.
Huh?
Dimples and pimples.
Dimples and pimples? Dimple in her pimple. Wait.
Ugh,
Pimple
that's
in the
nasty.
pimple.
All right, we gonna work on this hood. Just like that, the hood and trunk are done. Son, it's looking real nice. It's cool too because this trunk's a two-piece, so like instead of having to do all of this in one section and heat and stretch it and doing all that by yourself, to be able to do it in two pieces because the light separates through the center, it's mint. So
It's actually a military green. It's not mint.
facts.
You could say it's like an olive.
An olive? It's an olive green. Olivia.
Olivia. Yeah, that's her new name.
Right. I think it's time for a little movie magic. Show you guys what this thing looks like when it's finito.
It's not even that cold out here, y'all, but I'm just trying to not get burnt because I'm a whitey.
Because you're a what?
I don't want to be a reddy.
Because he's a whitey.
I don't want to look
That's what he
like
calls
a
himself.
lobster. That's why I'm all covered up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to show you guys what this thing looks like when it's done. Alright guys, well that's that. Huh?
Dead cat.
It's a dead cat.
Adjusting him.
Yeah,
So
I
you
gotta
can hear
adjust the
us,
mic.
our beautiful voices.
Mm-hmm.
Tap,
But yeah,
tap.
that's going to be it for this video. If you guys made it to the end and liked it, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Also hit that subscribe button. Let us know what other type of content you want to see. Also, yeah, do what he's doing and ding, or I meant ring. No, actually
Ding.
click that
Ding it.
notification bell.
Just ding it.
That way you're notified anytime we do our next upload. But with that being said...